Just a girl washing her hands. Nothing to see. Okay. Almost got me, but it really didn't. You know.
Oh hell, no. Goddamn.
R.I.P. Uncle. That's fucked up, man. Hate to see it.
Are we absolutely sure what direction we're going?
What's your name?
Okay. Almost got me.
What's your name? What's your name?
Roberto!
Damn, I always lose that shit, bro. Like, why? Why? Like, could have been anything, but had to be that. Like,
If your neck is grabbed from the rear, clasp your hands, turn, and the wrist.
Let me try this shit, babe. I need your help with something.
oh hell no. What the hell? She gonna beat him up, bro. That's my reaction too, bro. Yo, that's me at the weddings, bro. For my homeboys, it's me at the weddings. No, it's just a cute dog, man. Can't beat it. It was really a whole ass party. And is reacting to the newest One Piece chapter. Bro, what's wrong with that, bro? One Piece is literally like top 5 anime ever. Just a guy at the gym, nothing serious. Okay, we got. Go subscribe to this man, bro.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'll never lie.
Oh.
You said be truth, said I'll try.
Okay.
'Cause in the end, you're still a fucking bitch.
Fuck. What the Damn, that homeboy is zoomed in. Why was he still there?
What in the heavens haberdashery is going on here?
Just a guy, just a nice guy,
This is
man.
a full-grown
Nothing wrong with
man.
that. He's living life.
Oh, shit. Damn, that boy look just like Mike Miles from the side. Wait till he look up.
Is that an actual person?
Watch when that man call his name. Tulane.
It's a woman.
Oh. Fuck. This one's pretty fun to do, I can't even lie to you. That shit's so fucked. What? Dude, I'm losing hella. Just keep laughing.
Are you guys
Beautiful.
open?
Mhm.
I want some chicken sandwiches.
Wow, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that shit almost got me.
Boy, get your stupid ass out of my damn kid.
It'd be like that though. You can't even sneak shit. Sudden videos always get me. Jojo. Yo, why is it just stuck like that?
Hey, you can have a feeling, you get down the bowl, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light, till the week.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. Oh no!
Yeah, it'd be like that. Homie's training to go hiking on Mount Everest. Love that shit. He's gonna fall. It's disgusting.
crying. I have no voice box.
Caught me off guard, can't lie to you. Yeah, I drive that shit. Me on my way to the bathroom to shit while company for the third time today. Yeah, company time ain't nothing.
Has a message. What do I say? I want a burger tomorrow? What?
You tell him, Plankton.
Jay got some AirPods. Ain't nobody looking.
Hell no. That's fucked. You should have cracked it. Just normal soda. Just fuzzing down. Nah, but that's really how it'd be though.
Let's fucking go! 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 Let's fucking go!
Why'd he do that?
Stay on the bike! Oh my god!
Why they do the Happy Meal like that?
Do you know her? Do you know who that is?
Damn, I want what she has, bro. She's on Mount Everest right now. Might even be on the moon. What the fuck? That was a good one. That was a great one.
Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Hey, get in your cage. Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Do the cage dance. Do the cage dance.
Yeah.
Hey, do the cage dance.
Yeah.
Hey, lock. Wait. Hey. Wait.
That's really how it be.
Oh, I like that one. Put that one in the basket. Let me see. Down by one. Kendrick Lamar goes from free throw. It still went in. It still...
All right, guys. I think we're gonna end it here. But thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the shorts. Check me out on TikTok. Same thing as my YouTube. And have a great day, y'all.
Sycamore. Nigga just passed the week, huh? That's your problem. You talk too motherfucking much. I'm gone, cuz.